Do you work in the data center industry at a colocation data center, or do you sell to or partner with a colocation data center? Are you in a marketing, sales, biz dev, customer CS, product role, or executive management role at a company like this? Then you'll definitely want to check out this brief webinar recording excerpt on how colocation data center websites attract more of the right visitors. During the short video, you'll learn how you can drive more visitors to your website. If you like the content, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell button so you can be notified when new videos just like this come out on a regular basis.
So next, how can we drive more people to our colocation data center website?
How can we drive more people to our colo data center website? I think the number one mistake we see people make is, remember the baseball movie? It was in the late 80s, early 90s with Kevin Costner and James Earl Jones, If You Build It, They Will Come, Field of Dreams. That kind of sort of worked in the early days of the web in the late 90s. There is such intense competition for people's eyeballs now. There's so many things that are competing for not just, and there's so many screens people are looking at in a given day, their desktop, their notebook, their tablet, their phone, their TV, their watch. There's so many different things going on around them that you have to try really, really hard to come up with stuff that's super relevant and make sure that you have a strong distribution plan. So real simple guideline to keep in mind is to balance your efforts between creating content and promoting content, or what's sometimes called distributing content. And if you're saying, okay, you know, I have X amount of dollars or X amount of hours, I need to make sure that I spend half creating the content and half literally coming up with a plan that gets it in front of the right people. Maybe it's with the right hashtags, maybe it's the right frequency and repetition, maybe it's the right balance between text and visual content, maybe it's doing some repurposing of content, maybe it's the right LinkedIn groups, but you really, really need to make sure that you don't just put it out there and hope they come. Otherwise, that's like a friend or neighbor opening up a restaurant in a strip mall in the middle of nowhere, and it can be the most fantastic restaurant on the planet, but if there's no other restaurants in that strip mall and nobody knows they exist, they're probably not going to be in business very long. It's the same thing with your content. Half on creation, half on promotion.
Hey there, it's Joshua Feinberg from SB Home Run. We're so glad that you stopped by to watch this video today. If you got good value, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos just like this go live. Thanks. We hope you're having a great day, and we wish you great success.